since I was a child, I was always fond of kids. Once I got married, for the first 3 years, we did not plan for it because it was all that we wanted to settle down and then we wanted to have kids and all. But then slowly and slowly, I felt that as if I'm not being able to conceive, we are not able to know the exact dates and all. Then we tried also for so many years, but it was all failure. Then I saw so many doctors and all. My husband, he was into service. So we went to Shimla, we went to Ludhiana, we went to Chandigarh, Amritsar, so many places, Jalandhar and all. But it had always been a failure. Somewhere in my heart, I always had ki, I don't know, I am missing something, that I'm not like others. Since last 7 years, I've had n number of medicines. I've got so many surgeries done, laparoscopy, hysteroscopy. As the time passed by, we came across that there's one term called IVF. Me and my husband, we went to Dr. Virish and he was so positive with me. He said ki, okay, I'll take you in January. I went there and when my result was out, I could not believe my ears. I felt like screaming, I felt like shouting ki ye kya ho gaya? Is it a dream? Or what is it? I seriously could not believe it. And that day, my husband was also in tears. I was also in tears. I felt like screaming. I felt like screaming ki wow, I'm pregnant. I could not believe that Supriya is pregnant.
Globally, it has been seen that 1 in 5 couples who are married has problem with conceiving and they require assisted conception treatments, which we offer at Vardhan also.
Vardhan Medical Center is one of the foremost centers of excellence for fertility treatment and reproductive procedures in India. The center is very proud to have assisted in the conception of over 2,000 babies since its foundation in the year 2000. Today, the center is at the forefront of this miraculously advanced scenario of medical science.
Foremost thing which couple has to understand is the various causes of infertility they are undergoing. Second, they should know that how much time will it take. We have to tell them the exact cost, the number of visits they have to come to us, the number of investigations they have to undergo. We see their previous record and then the gynecologist take the appropriate decision that what should be the minimum diagnosis to be made on them, to take a decision that what assisted reproductive techniques we can use to make them conceive at the earliest and how successful that would be.
We were 100% sure that if the result will come, it will come from this institute only, because they were so clinically right, in every method, in every treatment they used to deal with the patient.
Once the couple understands, we initiate the treatment, we initiate the diagnosis, we initiate certain tests on them, and accordingly the procedure is regularized. That might be an IUI, that can be taking a patient to an IVF program, taking a patient to an ICSI program where the patient is enrolled. They have been explained exactly that what should be done.
Vardhan Medical Center offers a complete bouquet of fertility solutions available in any part of the world, all under one roof. IVF is a process in which an egg is fertilized by a sperm outside the body. The process involves removing eggs from ovaries using a long thin needle. Eggs removed are injected with sperms and kept in CO2 incubator so that after fertilization takes place, an embryo can be formed and is ready for transfer in patient's uterus to achieve a viable pregnancy. Pregnancy can be ensured after 14 days of transfer. Laparoscopy is direct visualization of the peritoneal cavity, ovaries outside of the tubes and uterus by using a laparoscope. It is also used to remove fibroids.
We are having a specialized labs. We have a specialized in-house investigation laboratories equipped as per the international standards. We take on the patient for investigations, for diagnosis, and finally for the treatment according to the world standards and WHO recommendations. Higher pregnancy rate at Vardhan is one of the most encouraging factor for patients, for the staff, for the doctors. Normally we achieve a pregnancy rate of 50 to 70%. We never go less than 50% in any of the cycles we do IVF.
Vardhan's high degree of success rate not only prompts various medical professionals in India and abroad to recommend its assisted reproductive services, but also transforms the lives of its patients forever.
My kids are so naughty, so naughty. Whenever they are awake, I don't feel like doing anything. I just feel like staying with them. I don't feel like missing any opportunity or anything, whatever they are doing. Vardhan in true sense is blessings to all the couples who are desperately waiting to conceive or who are desperately waiting to have kids. Vardhan in true sense is Vardhan for us.